In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model S, Model 3, or other Tesla models. The 12-volt battery powers essential systems like the touchscreen, lights, and control modules, so knowing how to locate and access it can be helpful for troubleshooting or maintenance. For Tesla Model S, open the hood of your car using the hood release lever located on the driver's side door. Once the hood is open, locate the 12-volt battery in the front trunk area. It's housed in a protective cover on the passenger side, right side of the frunk. Remove the cover by unscrewing or unclipping it, depending on your model year. You'll now see the small 12-volt battery, which looks similar to a traditional car battery but is much smaller. For Tesla Model 3, open the front trunk frunk by pressing the button on the touchscreen or using the app. Lift up the carpeted panel in the frunk to reveal the storage compartment. Remove the false floor or additional panels to expose the 12-volt battery, which is located near the front of the vehicle on the passenger side. Carefully remove any covers protecting the battery to access it. For Tesla Model X and Model Y, similar to the Model S and Model 3, start by opening the hood or frunk. Look for the 12-volt battery in the front compartment, typically on the passenger side. Remove any protective covers or panels to access the battery. Important notes: always exercise caution when working with the 12-volt battery. Avoid shorting the terminals and ensure the car is powered off before accessing it. If you're replacing the 12-volt battery, consult your owner's manual or contact Tesla service for guidance, as improper handling can cause system issues. If you suspect a faulty 12-volt battery, symptoms may include a non-responsive touchscreen, failure to power on, or warning messages on your dashboard. If this video helped you learn how to access the Tesla 12V battery in your Model S, Model 3, or other models, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.